because I'm not doing this for anyone. I'm doing this for the Father who blessed me. I really devoted Catholic. When I talk about this kind of, medyo sensitive ko. Okay? Inana ko, ka-devotee sa ako ang faith. The only one that motivates me, it's my love of God. Kana siya nga, butang, makadumdum ko nga, Lord, kapuin ako. Kapuin ako, Lord. Human as we are, di ba? Kapuyon ta, gusto na ko, Lord, matulog. Gusto na ko maghigda. Pero no, kaya mo tindog yung gihapon ko. Wadto yung gihapon ko. It's because I'm not doing this for anyone. I'm doing this for the Father who blessed me for everything. Manang siya. Manang pagkapuyon ko, simple lang na, I'll pray. When I get tired, I pray. When I'm sad, I pray. When I'm happy, I pray. So, my wife is not like that when we met. Pero, nakita niya how devoted I am, how deep is my faith. I was able to bring her sa inana klase nga routine. And siya karon, siya na ang mas deeper of faith. In everything that I do, it is God is the reason. Siya gyud. Even I tell my kids, in every food that you eat, it's not coming from us. It's a blessing from God. So don't waste that food. In anak ko, that's how I think and that's how I anchor everything. There's another testimony that I've been telling all the audience of my program. I got diagnosed with dengue. From the program, I went to the emergency room kaya parang naging maganda pakiramdam ko. So I tested positive with dengue. But during the time when I tested positive with dengue, I was not advised by the doctor to be confined. Kaya nakita dito sa ako ang laboratory nga, I'm already on the edge. Pero doon ko palang naramdaman na parang kailangan ko na magpa-ospital. Pero I am already recovering pala. Sabi ni Doc, this is very impossible. Kasi sagad na sagad ang platelet count ko. But this is already the end. Ito na yung sagad. Tomorrow, it will increase na. I am not recommending you to be confined. Pero nasa sayo kung gusto mo pa rin mapakonfine. Sabi, ayoko. I don't want to be confined. I'll just rather stay home. So, every day, nagtetest ako for the next 3 days. And yet, it's true na tumataas na ulit yung platelet ko going back to normal. And my doctor asked me, what's your supplement? What's your vitamins? Maliban sa maintenance medicines ko, doctor, because I'm hypertensive, power cells lang po talaga ang tinitake ko. Sabi ni Doc, I may not be able to prescribe that, but seems to be working with you. Continue mo lang. Kasi wala ko ibang iniinom. Maliban sa maintenance medicines ko for hypertension, power cells lang. And being active, nagpabike ako, nagra-run ako. Ganun lang. So, doon ko masasabi na Power Cells is more than just a product. It's really a wonder. Thank you, Power Cells. Thank you for being there. Dahil kung wala ka, paano na lang kami? Ako si Ari Sinyara, ng Cagayan de Oro, nagtitiwala kay Power Cells. Dahil totoo, si Power Cells sa kanyang sinasabi na siya ang ating sandigan. Dahil si Power Cells ang nagbigay lakas at proteksyon sa panahon na kailangan natin ng extra protection. Daghang salamat, Power Cells.